Right, there's a bit of a change since I've done my last one. Everything seems to have come on. New addition is my cucumber plant. And then I've got all my tomatoes here. These ones here, this one here is Santini Red. This one here is Santini Gold. And they've all come on and they're all flowering lovely. This one is definitely an Audi chili. I think last time on this I had 2 or 3 chilies on it. Now there is an abundance of them. I think it's due to all the good weather we had the other week. Everything's just come on. Lovely. Then next, another tomato plant here. This is another Santini Red. This one, I've trimmed these down top to stop them growing any bigger. Cut the leaves back a bit to try and promote more fruit and flowers. This one here is me 7-pot douglas. I think you can tell the difference from the first video I did of that one. That's come on really well. That one there is just a little experiment I'm trying. That's a Reaper chocolate in there. Just in a olive oil bottle, see what I can get out of that. This is the Chinese plant. This is called Babyface. Coming on well from the first video, I think you can see. Piccolo plant here, tomato plant. It's only in a small bottle, so it's not really that big, but I've got plenty of tomato plants, so I'm not too bothered. It's me bird's eye. It's coming on well. I think if you look at my first one, you can see the difference in my plants. This one here, Scotch bonnet. That's come on well from the last time. Tomato plant is Rosso. This tomato plant here is another Santini Gold. And this one has come on really well. This chili plant, I cannot tell you what it is because I've got no label. But as you can see, there's plenty of buds on it. Really, I need to wait and see for the chilies to grow to see if I can work out what it is, to be honest. But as you can see from the first one, I put it in a bigger pot. A bit of burning here, but nothing major really. And then another stem has come out here, and that's started to bud on that as well. Right, to my sweet peppers. That one there's got about 3 on that one. Still plenty of flowers on that. This one here's come on really well. There's about, you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 or 6 on that one, which has come on really well. This is my other one here. These are coming on well. I've only got 2 on there, but there's plenty of flowers that are dying off, so hopefully they're going to turn into peppers as well. Then we've come across to here. This is a Chinese fruit tree from my first one, that's come on well. Then I've got all my peppers here. Cayenne there, Thai Dragon. Luckily I've labelled all these up. That one there's Scotch bonnet. That one there's Hot Wax. That one there is Komodo Dragon. You can see all the difference from these from my first one. That one's Reaper chocolate. That one there is, I don't know, oh, Scorpion, that one. That's Scorpion. I was trying to read what it says. Another 2 pepper plants here growing. They're just bell peppers then. Then another tomato plant here which I'm going to re-put up soon. It's San Marzano. These were all shot bought. Took the pips out and put them in. This one here is orange tree, which I've started. These went on the first video, but they've all started coming through now. If you can see down here in this one, another orange tree by seed. That one was grown. I started that one on the 16th of last month, so that's come on really well. That one's come on alright. No sign of my plum tree yet. These, I've got another 7-pot douglas here, another Reaper yellow there, another Scots bonnet there, and these are just some of my brassicas here that I'm starting them in here for now. And then down here, that's another Scots bonnet, but it was like a yellow one I got from the shop, so I've took the seed out to see what that'll come out, actually out to. Got another scorpion there, another Reaper yellow there, and another scorpion there. This tomato plant is Santini again. As you can see from last video, there were no fruit on these whatsoever, and they're all coming on well now. And then this one here, I've moved this into a bin because it's just romped away. Just a crappy old plastic bin that I had. And as you can see, plenty of fruit on there. So looking forward to them. Like I say, it comes right up here and you can see all the flowers and the fruit on this. So I just need to give these a bit of a feed today. And then I've got another 2 here. As you can see, they're quite big, these. This 6-foot Aldi greenhouse, only 50 quid, and then it's I think I've got a bargain with it really, because everything's coming on well here. Considering we get crap weather, I think it's only about 11 degrees outside. And then I've got another one here. And as you can see, these are all in milk carton containers, and I will be doing a video on that because I've seen some videos and I came up with an idea. I'll just have to see how I get on. I don't think anyone else has done one, so I'll have to see. As you can see, temperature now at the moment is 69. So that's a steady temperature at the moment. Right, let's go and have a look outside. Right, and as you can see, this is an orange plant. I didn't show these on my last one, I don't know why. It's about a year old this, but for some reason there's no branches out on it. It's just growing straight. Maybe I've done something wrong, that's why I've grown some more, to be honest. A couple of lemon trees. They're not doing very well, but we'll just leave them, see how they get on. New addition to outside, another cucumber plant, again in a milk bottle. Some potatoes that have started to grow. They'll be done the end of August, beginning of September. I made this planter the other day, and that's just basically for my strawberries. So I've just made out of pallet wood, that, which I don't think is bad really for pallet wood. And then here, another couple of ideas I've had is growing lettuce in pot bottles. Just see how they get on really, to be honest. And then all in these all in these pot noodle pots. I've got my apple trees from seed, and they're all coming on well. I've had no issues with it, any of them at the moment. So I think maybe these are about 3 months old, something like that. I should start putting the dates on when I've done them, to be honest. And then another chilli plant here, I'm just seeing if this will grow outside. That's a scorpion, that one. But if it doesn't, it's no hardship really, to be honest. I don't really have a big garden, so all I've done here, this was all decked over, all this, all along here. So I just took the decking off and then put some soil in, and just to give me a bit of colour around the back garden. It don't work too bad. That's my fuchsia. I did forget to cut that back, but I remembered to cut it back, and it's coming on well now. So hopefully I'll get some off that during the summer. It's another planter I built, just a small one for the backyard. And then more planters I built for under the windows and that. That's the old barbecue there. And there's a new one. Bit of a size difference, but I thought that would look alright with a few petunias in and that. There's the other planter all planted up. And then here we've got beefsteak tomato plant. And a couple of more tomato plants down here. And this chilli, it's not looking too good, to be honest. It's another scorpion, but I'm not really too bothered about them, to be honest. I've got plenty to be going on with. So that's it, that's number 2. So I'll give you an update when anything else happens, any more growth or anything. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later, bye.